Welcome back to another Retos channel. In this episode, I'll be talking about the issue that I have with this Rav4. It's not a big issue. I'm going to try to troubleshoot it and fix it. The problem that I'm having is my Bluetooth connectivity. When I'm connected to Bluetooth, I can hear people when I'm talking on the phone, but they cannot hear me. And I thought it was my phone, but it wasn't. So I reset my phone and I reset the radio, like I disconnect everything, like I deleted the contacts. It's still the same issue. I was thinking it's the microphone here that's, broken inside or anything, but it's not, because I never, did anything to it. So for some reason, it just doesn't work. So when you start your car, let's start the car. And you look here, this light, the SOS button lights, they're supposed to light up. The green right here and the red, it's supposed to communicate. It's a communication data module. It's supposed to work, right? But it's not. If I press SOS, nothing happens. So obviously there's a problem with a communication, some kind of data module communication. And let's do one more test here. So start your car. Hold this audio button right here. Hold this audio button. And at the same time, while you're holding the button, you're supposed to turn on lights, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. I have this screen that pops out. This is a service menu. Let's say you can test your microphone here. System check. Let's go back. Function check settings. You can check vehicle signal. It shows you all that speed, tail on, battery voltage, ignition. I don't know what these are. I'm not changing anything here. Let's check microphone. See this microphone? And now you're supposed to say hello, 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 hello. And there's nothing moving here. Even though I'm speaking very close to the microphone right here. Hello, hello, nothing works. It's not picking up. Hello, hello, see, nothing works. This line, the mic meter, mic input level meter, is supposed to work. It's not happening. And also the problem is these lights are not lit up right here. So there's definitely a problem with communication data module, that's what they call it. So in order to do this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna disconnect the battery for half an hour and reconnect it. The fix should be very simple. Disconnecting the battery terminals for like a half an hour, let it sit, and reconnect everything. This way it will reset your communication data module. It's supposed to work. So let's try it. Okay, 10mm socket. So is your negative terminal. This is your negative terminal. There's a little negative sign. Start loosening it up. There, I disconnected negative cable. Now let's disconnect the positive terminal right here. Same 10mm socket, just put it right here. As you see, I disconnected the battery, negative, then positive, and let the car sit. We're going to start with half an hour, see what happens. It's been about half an hour, 40 minutes. Let's try reconnecting the battery and see what happens to our data communication system. So we're going to start with a positive terminal. We're going to connect this, secure it, and then go to the negative. Make sure it's firmly pressed and pushed in. Tighten the connector. Good. Now let's put the shield, plastic thing, and let's move to the negative terminal. Use this pin, it goes like this. And then take your bolt. Tighten this connection. Good. Now let's start the car and check this. Now we have a green light and a red light. Let it do what it's supposed to do. So now we have a signal through the data communication module. And let's see if it actually works. The radio, if it actually works. Also, let's try if this works now. I mean, even though I don't have a service, but let's see what happens.
Communication module is not active. To sign up for service, please call 1-855-405-6.
Okay, next step, let's see if the microphone works. Hold this audio button, hold it, and then we're gonna turn off the lights 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Screen pops up, and let's go check service, microphone check. Hello, 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 testing. See, it works. Testing, testing. Hello. So now our microphone is working and everything should be fine, and you can make phone calls and people can hear me. Should be no problem. So everything works, guys and girls. My microphone is fixed. People can hear me when I'm talking. Everything is perfect. But if you want to know how to remove the contacts and how to add them, then you can try this step. Go on the menu here, go on the setup, go on the Bluetooth, and then let's say I have to remove my device. I want to remove this phone. I'm gonna click and we're gonna remove it. So it's very easy. And now if you want to add your device, go on the menu, setup, Bluetooth, and now what we're gonna do, add new device, and it's searching. You see here it shows iPhone 2. I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna get a pin on my phone. I'm gonna click OK on that pin and it's gonna be connected. Thank you for watching Nazaretov's channel. I hope this episode was helpful and informative. So now you know how to fix your microphone issues if you have one. One tip for you, make sure you disconnect negative, then the positive, and then reconnect positive, then the negative. Also, very important, if a half an hour doesn't help, try to do overnight, disconnect the battery, let the car sit overnight, and it should reset the DCMA module, data communication module on your Toyota. And it doesn't happen frequently. This is the first time it happened to me in this case. And I did the test, like I brought up that screen, and you can see that the microphone was not working. So obviously we needed to do the reset, and you don't even need to go to the dealer to do that because they'll do exactly the same thing. So I'll see you in the next episode, and have a good day. Subscribe, hit that bell. Bye-bye.